Hi students, welcome back. The next topic is operators in C. Already we have seen about few operators like increment, decrement operators, ISOF operator and bitwise operator. So the next operator what we are going to see are about relational operators, logical operators and conditional operators. Relational operators will help you to compare two variables or a variable and a constant. So it will yield a return value of either 1 or 0. If the condition is true, you will get a return value as 1, or if the condition is false, you will get a return value as 0. So these are the relational operators which we have: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to. Not equal to is an exclamatory mark followed by an equal to symbol. Suppose consider the value of A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 4. Now we'll use the basic relational operators like less than or greater than. So what will be the return value? Now A value is 10 and B value is 4. Relational operator which is given as A less than B. Okay. So A is not less than B, right? So the result is false, and so you'll get a return value as 0. And the next statement is A greater than B, which is true. So you get the return value as 1. So here you see the program where you're comparing. Obviously, you're going to take the value of A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 4. So the third, this line is going to check if A is greater than B. So is A greater than B? Yes, A is greater than B because A is 10 and B is 4. So you'll get A greater than B is 1. Okay, because the true value is equal to 1. So A less than B, it is not true. So you are going to get a false. Okay, so 0. Okay, A less than B is 0. Next is logical operator. Now we are going to see about the logical operators in C. That is logical and, or, and not. Logical and is going to have double ampersand. Logical or is going to have a pipe symbol, and logical not is going to or not is going to have an exclamatory mark. So it is going to follow this table, that is 0. 0 is going to give you 1 for and 0, 0 is going to give 0 for or. So where it will differ in when both are 1, you are going to get 1 in and when both are 0, it will be 0 in or. All others will be 1 in or. Okay, so we'll see an example for this. So now again consider the value of A as 10 and B as 4. So these are the two expressions which are combined using logical and. Okay, so now A greater than 5, is it is A greater than 5? Yes, it is true, right? So it is going to be 1, and B is greater than 2. Yes, it is greater than 2. So it is going to have a true value which is 1. So 1 and 1 is going to give you 1 because 1 and 1 is going to give you 1. Okay, so this is how a logical operator will work, and here you can see uh, if you want to check with other statements also, you can check, like if you take this value A is less than 5 and B is less than 2, so both are 0, right? Because this is also false, this is also false, so which is going to give you a return value as false. Okay, so this is the program for logical operator. Now we are entering the age. Instead of giving A and B value, we are going to take as age and height. So age, suppose if it is 10 and height is 5. Okay, so when both are greater than or equal to, it should be when both are true, you should print the candidate is selected, and if any one is false, then you should print sorry, the candidate is not selected. So logical and will help you to achieve this one. Okay, because it will be true only when both the statements are correct. Okay, so now we have given the age of the candidate as 18 and height of the candidate as 6. So when both are true, the candidate will be selected. when you are giving any values less than 18 and less than 5, or if any one condition goes false, then it will go to the else statement because the return value will be false and it will be 0. So it will go to the else part. So it will say, sorry, the candidate will not be selected. So both should be above this values which is given, that is 18 and 5. Next is conditional operator. So it is a ternary operator because first, if it is a unary operator, it will be unary operator will have only one operand, like 1 minute. Unary operator, it will be having only one operator or operand, and if it is binary operator, then you have two operands. And here it is ternary operator where you will have some expression and then you will have a operator, then you will have one more thing, one more expression, and then it will be given with a semicolon, and then you will have the next expression. Okay, so you have three operands, like, so it is known as ternary operator. Okay, so if expression 1 is true, then the value which it is going to return will be this expression, that is expression true. Okay, and if this expression is false, it is going to take this expression, that is expression 3. Okay, so now get the value of x and y using scanf. Okay, sorry, x using scanf, and you're going to check y is equal to x greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, the value of y will be taken as 3, or if if this value entered is less than, that is if it is less than 5, then it is going to take the value as 4. Okay, so you can expand it like this: if x is greater than 5, y is equal to 3, or else y is equal to 4. Okay, so these are all about the operators. So we have seen in different videos about the different types of operators: arithmetic, relational, logical, and conditional operators. See you all with the next video with unit 2. Thank you.